What's up, guys? We did this job a couple of weeks ago, and for some reason my mic wasn't connected correctly, so I have to punch in the voice over here. So bear with me on this one. That's why it sounds a little different. But this is a full sand and refinish we did up in Cassar, North Carolina. It is a red oak solid floor, and it was natural. It's got a bunch of wear. It was in relatively decent shape, and we're here to knock it down and get it back to life again. So we'll be doing this big area. You see Jason's running the big machine. It's the living room. Bunch of wear, bunch of missing urethane in a bunch of areas. Young Jay's taking off the shoe molding. We'll be doing that hallway. Representing the Loba of Akil with a t-shirt on. We have this entranceway and into the primary bedroom and the primary closet. That what I was pointing out is we changed the board there. A couple of boards was damaged for our client. The primary bedroom closet also, and we are not doing the existing bedrooms. We're going to just leave them alone. They're in really good shape. We're going to just try to match it the best we can at the doorways there. We'll come back and show you the progress and the final results like always. All right, guys, stick around. Alrighty, guys, we are working our way up in sequence. It's almost the end of day one. Look how good this is looking. This is going to be a beautiful natural floor here. It's going to look fantastic. Alrighty, we got everything up in grid here in the living room and the hall. We're working back here in the primary. So stick around. Alrighty, guys, we are getting the sealer down. Look how good this is turning out. We'll be back in the morning, get the next 2 coats on, and that'll be it. It's coming out fantastic, so stick around. Alright, guys, we are laying down the second coat. Looking fantastic. Alrighty, last coat is down and drying. Let's take a peek real quick. It's wet, so it's not gonna stay shiny like this. Beautiful. Alright, it's just drying. See back there where it's drying, that's satin finish, so it's gonna look like that. But yet it's drying, so it's all spotty, but you get the drift of it. I should be here tomorrow morning to take a peek, and I'll get a final video. Alrighty, guys, here's the final results. Look how good this floor looks. Man, this job looks fantastic. Alrighty, once again, as always, thanks for watching.